Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at that ever so popular song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and how to play it on the fife. Here is a fife. This fife is in the key of C. When holding your fife, your left fingers, 1, 2, and 3, are used closest to the embouchure hole. And fingers 4, 5, 6, and 7 of your right hand are used for the last 4 holes. Finally, use your thumb to cover the back hole. Hold the fife up to your face so that the embouchure hole is positioned just under the center of your bottom lip, and the end of the fife is pointing to the right-hand side of your body. If you have trouble producing a note with your fife, don't worry, I've included some links in the description that might help. Underneath your fife, as we mentioned, is the thumb hole, which will be covered by your left thumb. When necessary, at times, you might be required to pinch the hole like this to produce a higher pitch, and sometimes you might need to uncover it completely. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Keep the thumb hole covered for the entire phrase, and put fingers 1 to 7 on holes 1 to 7 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 3 on holes 1 to 3 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 2 on holes 1 to 2 and blow twice. And put fingers 1 to 3 on holes 1 to 3 and blow once. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, keep the thumb hole covered for the entire phrase. Put fingers 1 to 4 on holes 1 to 4 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 5 on holes 1 to 5 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 6 on holes 1 to 6 and blow twice. And put fingers 1 to 7 on holes 1 to 7 and blow once. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, keep the thumb hole covered for the entire phrase. Put fingers 1 to 3 on holes 1 to 3 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 4 on holes 1 to 4 and blow twice. Put fingers 1 to 5 on holes 1 to 5 and blow twice. And put fingers 1 to 6 on holes 1 to 6 and blow once. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 3. Phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1. and phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the fife using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you're looking for a song to play on the fife that I haven't recorded yet, then you can check out my recorder playlists, because the fingering will usually be the same. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget, I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.